The Proxen cordless belt sander is compact, versatile, and powerful. Weighing just 2 pounds, its rotating head adjusts 60 degrees for hard-to-reach areas. It operates quietly, vibration-free, and reduces fatigue during extended use. Features include a vacuum cleaner connection, adjustable belt speeds, 200 to 700 meters per minute, and a complete set with a battery, charger, and 4 sanding belts. Everything comes packed in a durable, handy case for portability and convenience. The Agawa Boreal 21 folding saw is compact and efficient, perfect for firewood cutting on the go. It weighs just 18 ounces and unfolds in seconds. Its 21-inch blade tackles tough jobs, while the anodized aluminum frame and fiberglass reinforced handle ensure durability and comfort. The trapezoidal design accommodates large logs. Features like automatic blade tension and Swedish-made, hardened teeth make this saw reliable, lightweight, and essential for outdoor enthusiasts. The E-Tape 16 digital tape measure simplifies measurements with its clear digital display. It measures up to 16 feet, converts units seamlessly, and features 3 memory modes for saving results. Made of weather-resistant polycarbonate, it's ideal for any environment. The bright red color ensures visibility, and its ergonomic design makes it easy to handle. Perfect for home and professional projects, this tool eliminates guesswork while providing quick, accurate measurements. Nocry Premium Cut-Resistant Gloves offer unparalleled protection, ideal for kitchen or workshop use. With level 5 cut resistance, they're 10 times stronger than steel and safe for food handling. Breathable and machine washable, they keep hands cool and comfortable during prolonged tasks. Suitable for cutting vegetables, handling wood, or metalworking, these gloves deliver durability and flexibility for any project. Their lightweight design ensures safety without compromising precision. Nocry Professional Knee Pads provide ultimate comfort and protection for tough jobs. Designed with foam and gel, they cushion your knees like pillows, while reinforced straps ensure a secure fit. The durable outer shell guards against sharp objects, and a breathable mesh prevents sweating. Lightweight and easy to wear, they're perfect for gardening, tiling, or construction. These versatile knee pads are essential for anyone needing long-lasting knee support. The Greenworks 80V blower offers efficient, eco-friendly yard cleanup. Powered by an 80-volt battery, it delivers adjustable airflow for light or heavy debris. Its brushless motor ensures longevity and quiet operation, while eliminating harmful exhaust. Lightweight and user-friendly, it includes 2 5-amp-hour batteries and a dual-port quick charger. Ideal for all seasons, this blower keeps your yard pristine without the hassle of gas or cords. The Camo Drive deck tool revolutionizes decking installation with 3 fastening methods: edge, clip, and surface. It works with various decking types, enhancing speed and efficiency. Mountable on corded or cordless drills, it includes 3 quick change guides, reversible handles, and adjustable depth settings. Compatible with camo screws, this tool simplifies decking up to 5 times faster. Lightweight yet sturdy, it's a must-have for professionals and DIYers alike. The Hotyail log peeler transforms chainsaws into efficient bark removal tools. Equipped with 6 sharp blades and 2 high-speed bearings, it delivers precision and durability. Compatible with most chainsaw models, it ensures fast, accurate bark removal while improving work safety. Its robust design withstands tough tasks, making it ideal for woodworking projects. Whether for DIY or professional use, this peeler simplifies log preparation and enhances productivity. The PiVT ladder tool by Provision Tools offers 5 functions in one: leveler, elevator, shelf, stop, and tool stand. Supporting up to 500 pounds, it provides stability on uneven surfaces and high slopes. Its non-slip surface and rubber grips ensure safety, while the lightweight design allows easy portability. Perfect for roofs and angled work areas, this innovative tool enhances ladder versatility without compromising durability or ease of use. The Kreg KDRV Flip is a versatile 2-in-1 tool for woodworking. Featuring a drill bit on one side and a screw driving bit on the other, it simplifies tasks like panel fixing and furniture assembly. Its quick-release mechanism allows seamless bit changes, while the drill bit forms guide holes and screw recesses. Compact and efficient, This tool saves time and effort, making it a reliable choice for professionals and DIYers. The Jokari Quadro multi-tool combines 4 wire preparation functions in one compact design. It cuts, strips, crimps, and twists wires efficiently, accommodating cross-sections from 0.5 to 2.5 mm superscript 2. With ergonomic handles and rugged construction, it ensures precision in tight spaces. Compatible with spooled lugs, it offers quick size changes for varied tasks. Built to last, this tool is perfect for home or industrial wiring needs. The Worx JawSaw WG320 redefines safety and efficiency with its fully guarded blade. Cutting branches up to 4 inches in diameter, it runs on a 20-volt battery compatible with 75+ Worx tools. Automatic chain tensioning and lubrication enhance performance, while its 7.1-pound design ensures portability. With 1350 RPM speed and ground cutting capability, this chainsaw is ideal for professionals and hobbyists seeking convenience and reliability.